Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kajing yalang jongga kenhun menteri ke Sorkar Jela ka balalong ha ka khat kendai tarik unaitung arjar khat kendai kala rai ban pen benapai ba ya ka court fees Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance ya ka Meghalaya Electricity Duty Amendment Ordinance ya ka Meghalaya Building but ya ka Construction Workers Welfare Board Ordinance. Menteri ke tenat kampo yang ke Sorkar Jela ka jing keren bat kilat pathai kubor ulai thu ba ka jing sim rai jong ka kunhun menteri halor gini ki lai teli ki ordinance ka dei namar ka jing bamla ban munjur ha ka mangtengka ka bala dep long dangshen namar bala hap ban shu penkut no ya ka jing yeshong dorbar na ka daw ka jing don jong ka election Lok Sabha ka bala long mentau snem.
Since the budget session took place on the 8th of March, 6 weeks from that time onwards, that was the only time till which it was in effect. So now the ordinance has been repromulgated and the budget has, the cabinet has approved this. The need for this had arisen because the court fees, the promulgation of the court fees Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance was passed in the cabinet last year in the month of December. And this was to be taken up and passed in the Legislative Assembly. However, due to the Model Code of Conduct and the Lok Sabha elections which were declared, as you all are aware, the Assembly session was cut short, which resulted in the fact that the passing of this ordinance could not take place in the previous budget session that took place. So therefore, as per the law, it is required that the ordinance be repromulgated. And this was discussed, and the opinions of the law department was sought, and it has been decided in the cabinet to repromulgate the court fees Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance. Another ordinance which was taken up, which is the Meghalaya Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board Ordinance, was also to have been passed during the previous budget session, and this was not possible because of, as I explained earlier, because of the Lok Sabha general elections, and therefore this was also discussed, and this is a similar case to the Meghalaya Electricity Amendment Ordinance and also the Court Fees Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance, and after discussion this also is being repromulgated. This has been passed by the Cabinet today.